My name is Adiyam Emery, and currently I serve the Mayor's Office as a Chief Equity Officer, where we advance equity initiatives and equity programs and equity incentives across the department. Previously, I worked in SDOT as a Seattle Transportation Operation Division Director, where I oversaw managing the transportation network for the city, making sure that we're advancing with sustainability and safety to all our travelers in terms of servicing our vulnerable users, our pedestrians, that creates a very friendly, walkable, and usable infrastructure in downtown. We have a target of 90% of personal trips to be carbon-free by 2030. To reduce that 60% emission that's a great contributor to the greenhouse emission, we need to advance walking, biking, and transit in order to reduce those. In addition, we have electrification, EV chargers, which also support carbon neutral target that we're striving for 2050 as well. So pre-COVID, we have a very substantial transit riders. But post-COVID, we've seen ridership in transit reduce, and we continue to advance capital improvements and those features to make sure that we're capturing the ridership that we had. Three pillars that are the guiding principles for SDOT are safety, sustainability, climate, and equity. I mentioned a lot about the goals that we have in terms of sustainability and climate, but I want to kind of wrap it up and elevate the equity work that SDOT is conducting. SDOT has developed an equity framework that it's a roadmap that would allow for all the capital investments and the way in which we're advancing sustainable transportation goals and objectives are centered around the equity lens and the equity framework, which I see this as a leading example or framework that other departments in the city can leverage and replicate.